everyone. Good afternoon, Honorable Reynaldo N. Payahay, ng Barangay. Honorable Jimmy Rico Balila, Sangguniang Barangay. Honorable Jimmy Aquid, Sangguniang Barangay. Honorable Alita Ingrasya, Barangay Secretary. Honorable Chilita Bacubasan, Barangay Treasurer. Sir Michael Espinosa, Barangay Tana. We will going to present our proposed Barangay Development Plan Matrix for Barangay Akaban. I am Lovely C. Olohan, together with my group mates. So we will going to present our Barangay Development Plan Matrix entitled Building Resilience and Recreation in Barangay Akaban. So based on the data that we gathered in their current PDP, the total population of Barangay Akaban is 634, whereas the 0 to 5 years old is 10%, 6 to 12 years old is 14%, 13 to 17 years old is 11%, 18 to 35 years old is 40%, 36 to 50 years old is 40%, 51 to 65 years old is 8%, and 66 years old and above is 3%. So we gathered data with the 30 respondents in age between 36 to 50 years old. So the 30 respondents identified 4 problems. First is the dam site, which is 7%. Water supply is 17%. Covered court is 53%, and lastly is the seawall, which is 23%. So let's focus on the most identified problem, which is the covered court. So the lack of covered court can lead to the following: inadequate sport facilities. So due to the lack of covered court, many people in the barangay can't participate properly because there is no proper place to be used. Second is the weather dependency. So due to the lack of covered court, they only depend on the weather conditions. If it is bad weather condition, they will cancel and reschedule the event. There is one respondent said that they should have a covered court for their meetings, especially they are already a senior citizen and they cannot endure the extremely hot we are experiencing now. So the third is the reduced attendance. Due to the lack of covered court, it will decrease the number of attendees in attending an event. Objective: to enhance community recreation, to ensure weather protection, to increase attendance and participation. Legal framework: improving community recreation means enhancing recreation opportunities, residency, through greater facilities, events and activities promoting physical activity and social engagement. Boosting attendance and participation to attract more people and activity, parks and events or activities, creating a livelier and more engaging community sport.
This creator sustainable and community engagement. Implement the South Community Programs. This one that what it is was the problem with like local general
viability of negative is those that ensure the covered court the is compliance with this
Community engagement. Financial sustainability. Um, Implement a sound financial management plan that includes budgeting, revenue generation strategies, cost control measures, and long-term financial planning to ensure the economic viability and sustainability of the covered court project. Financial sustainability, it involves generating revenue, controlling costs, and planning finance prudently to support current operation and future growth, ensuring financial stability and viability over time. And this involving resident in the decision making and activities that affect their community, fos- fostering collaboration, communication, and a sense of shared responsibility.
So here are our BDP matrix in 2023 to 2026. So our project is infrastructure, which is the covered court. So our objectives is to enhance community recreation, ensure weather protection, and increase attendance and participation. So the time frame that we've had are 6 months to 1 year. So the activities are allocation of funds or constructing materials and labor, safety measures implementation, and facility maintenance, planning, and community engagement and program development. Our proposed amount is ranging from 2,000 million to 10,000 million. It all covered the materials, the labors, and other expenses that it is needed to have a covered court. So the expected result is to increase community engagement, enhance physical health, and all-weather accessibility.
this is the expected results. Adequate store facilities, weather protection, boosted attendance. It will provide a safe and suitable environment for people that will involve in sports and they can use it when they have activities or event in the environment. So it ensures that sporting events can proceed smoothly. Weather conditions ensures uninterrupted events, safeguarding participants and maintaining security. It will increase the revenue, creates a vibrant atmosphere, enhances the fun experience, and promotes community engagement.
That concludes our presentation. Thank you for listening. If you have questions and clarifications, we are ready to answer.
Ang katong inyong budget sa cover court na gikuha ninyo. Murag mismo to kay 2 million. 2 million pala to. Kamay nagkuha na ito mismo sa budget.
Proposal nila.
Itaas-taas lang ninyo. And lalo na karoon mahal ng material. Times 2 na lang na. Times 2.
Cover for
More lagi na cover court na. Okay lang. Ang uban, okay naman po. Kasi more kaya rin ito rin.